This is a great use for a yoga block to help with tree pose and or warrior two and or side angle pose. So here's how we get it set up. Take about a fist. We're going to start with the left leg. So my left hand comes behind my left glute and about a fist width away from the wall. Remove your fist once you're set. So you don't want to lean against the wall. You don't want to be too far away from the wall. Now I'm going to shift all the weight into my right leg. Keep my left leg set up for tree pose. So my left foot comes up to my left calf. The yoga block is set to short but long. And I try to place the yoga block close to my knee. All right, so it's not about balance. You can see I'm correcting myself as I go. It's about opening up this thigh. So I have to use my left glutes to hold this yoga block in place. If I'm holding too tight, the yoga block is going to stay glued to the wall. If I'm too loose, the yoga block will fall away from the wall. So you want to be just in the middle, and you want to really feel your glutes working double time. So let me show you on the other side. So on the other side, start with about a fist behind your glute that's keeping you away from the wall. Shift the weight into your left leg in this case. Right foot comes up into tree pose. Yoga block is set, and you're using your glute muscles to pin the yoga block against the wall. I'm not turning and rotating towards the block. If anything, I'm rotating away from the block and really using my glutes to hold that yoga block in place. Work your way up to 30 seconds, 60 seconds or so. And then try warrior two right away and see if you can emulate that feeling of using your glutes on your front leg.